Hey YouTube, Mark here, December 19th, 2019. Got a video about broken tape measures. I'm sure everybody's got one or more laying around. And wanted to do something to recycle, reuse, or repurpose it. I recently had an electrical job and I needed to measure a distance for some conduit to go into this fitting. So I just used this awl, wrap some tape around or a screwdriver or whatever, and then measure that. And then that did work. But I thought it'd be nice if I had some nice little depth gauge or something. And I came up with this idea. The tape measure folks are nice enough to put every foot, they start off with the 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. again. So you just take your tin snips, try to keep it straight, cut, and first make your first cut right on the 12-foot mark or wherever you want it actually. And then keep her straight. You want it to be nice and narrow. Comes in handy when you want to get into some tight spots. For a measurement. Make a couple, make as many as you want. There we go, a little offline here. Make as many as you want. Here's one 12 inches, 24 inches, however long you want it. And then you got to get into a pipe like this. Goes in well. Obviously a tape measure you can't get in. You got some tight quarters. You just want to get a measurement on something. Back to my original fitting, I wanted to get that measurement. 9/16. So keep them narrow, and you can get into tight spots. So you want to measure the depth of something like this here, or whatever your situation is. You want to know the depth of how deep to drill a screw or whatever. So, good use of something that's basically useless. So make a few, whatever size you want. Give them out as gifts to your buddies. Put them in your toolbox, etc. If you can see these, see this. And once again, if you can't fix it with a hammer, you've got an electrical problem. Thanks for watching.